Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Honorable President Moon Jae-in, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen. Let me first of all start by thanking the Republic of Korea for hosting this P4G conference. I think it is a very important landmark in our pathway towards green growth as well as sustainable development for the future. Especially during the COVID era, which has challenged the whole world, we have all realized that we cannot fight with nature. We have to make nature an ally of development. And I think that is the only model which can work as we go into the 21st century. In Pakistan, we realized this during the COVID era, and we announced what was called the Green Stimulus. This was a stimulus which was aimed at both protecting nature as well as providing green jobs. The idea was to put the country onto a pathway of green development and green growth. During the COVID era, this green stimulus was focused on three things. Firstly, we had the 10 billion tree plantation initiative in place, and we pushed it further to create more green jobs for people who were out there in nature, creating nurseries, protecting forests from wildfire, and protecting and nurturing forests towards natural regeneration. And we have a target of restoring over 1 million hectares of forest by 2023. Secondly, we started expanding our protected area network during the COVID era. We had 30 national parks in Pakistan which were built over the last 70 years. And we increased them by 50% and took them to 45 national parks. So added another 15 national parks in a period of only 8 or 9 months. Again, it was linked with green jobs for our youth, and we focused on starting a national park service where our young people could get employed as nature guardians. Thirdly, we initiated what is called the Recharge Pakistan project. This is a project which tries to turn a crisis into an opportunity. We have flood waters that flow through Pakistan every year, and this project aims at using that flood water and diverting it towards our degrading wetlands, so it restores the wetlands and also recharges the aquifer which is depleting. So all three are nature-based solutions, all three provide green jobs, and all three provide us with a framework for green growth. At this time, we have created over 85,000 green jobs, and we are hoping that by the end of the year, we are going to add another 100,000 green jobs through these three initiatives. So Excellencies, Pakistan is really focused on green growth, and this partnership for green growth is something that we really cherish, and we think this can be a very useful platform for the 21st century. Secondly, I think it is very important that the economic framework of the 20th century is not going to take us to the 21st century. We have to change the economic framework. We have to bring nature into the equation. Pakistan believes in this, and Pakistan is making efforts to make this happen. We have set up an ecosystem restoration fund, which has already got an endowment of $180 million being spent towards nature protection. We have last week launched our first green Euro bond, a $500 million green Euro bond to support our hydropower development. It was oversubscribed 4 times, which means there is an appetite in the market for not only economic progress, but green economic progress. And thirdly, we are in consultation with a lot of countries, creditor countries, on a debt for nature swap. So we would like our debt to be relaxed, and on our part, we will ensure transparently and credibly that we are investing that money in nature protection. So these are the innovative financial instruments that we are doing, and we are also doing a natural capital valuation of our economy in Pakistan. So all this is the framework which I think is the framework which has to take us to the 21st century. Nature has to, as I said, be a part of the equation. Finally, I would like to thank the Republic of Korea again for hosting this very important conference, and our Prime Minister Imran Khan especially supports this platform, and he has sent a message of solidarity with the P4G platform. Thank you very much.